Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to change voice AI on Claude. So to start, open Claude and sign into your Claude account. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top left. Now, in the bottom left corner, tap your name or initial. Now, once you're here, scroll down and go to app. So under app, you should see voice, click on it. Now, at the top, you should see the voice or speaker option.
We can chat while you are on a
In voice mode, I'll wait for you to be done chatting.
So here we have
we can chat
Airy.
while you are on a walk, in the car, in line for coffee. I'll come along for the ride.
You have Mellow.
Libraries, solemn ceremonies, a silent meditation retreat, and a game of hide and seek.
You can ask
You
me
have
about what's on your
Classy.
schedule, which hotel to book for your vacation, or how many hairs are on an otter's head.
Best places for voice mode? Cooking, walking, fixing something, conducting experiments, and anywhere you want to be hands free.
And you have Rounded. Now, next at the bottom, you have Language. So this is where you can change the language. You can choose English, German, etc. Next at the bottom, so you should see Speed. So you can adjust the speed like slow, normal, or fast. And down here, you have Mode. You have hands free or push to talk. So hands free, it's best for quiet environments, and you have push to talk, so you can hold to speak and release to send. So choose the voice you want at the top.
You can ask me about what's on your schedule, which hotel to book for your vacation, or how many hairs are on an otter's head. There are a lot.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So let's choose Classy, and the changes will be saved automatically. Then you can go back and chat with Claude AI. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.